atin nangarap pag tayo'y patuloy na nagsikap. Tiyak na may pag-unlad sa hinaga at pag-ibig ay lumaganap, at sa bayan niyang banal ay ating ihahayag. Halina kaibigan, sa ASCII sumama, alalay sa kaunlaran ng buong bayan, ating kasama sa paglikha ng bukas na masagana at puno ng pag-asa. Kung sama-sama tayo ay kakayanin natin ito, basta't may pananalig, pangarap natin ay mararating, mararating. Halina kaibigan, sa ASCII sumama, alalay sa kaunlaran ng buong bayan, ating kasama sa paglikha ng bukas na masagana at puno ng pag-asa. Alalay sa kaunlaran ng buong bayan, ating kasama sa paglikha ng bukas na masagana at puno ng pag-asa. Alalay sa kaunlaran ng buong bayan, ating kasama sa paglikha ng bukas na masagana at puno ng pag-asa. Wow, wow, wow.
Hi, I'm Philomena Ocampo, 5 years working here. I speak from ASCII Global. I speak from ASCII Global is to ever people learn and how to handle others. My current vision is to become a businesswoman someday if God's willing. I attended the basic entrepreneurship course. I wanted to know how to manage a business.
Hi, I'm Rosie Beronia from Surala, South Cotabato. I expect from ASCII Global Limited to learn how to manage myself on my finances. My current vision is to have my own land for farming, and so that I could help my family financially, and most of all, to help them spiritually, to have a relationship with God. I want to attend basic entrepreneurship because I want to upgrade myself as well as to meet new people, to encourage and to be motivated.
Thank you, Sarah Gumadan, 16 years in Singapore. My vision, I would like to open a restaurant in the Philippines one day. I would like to attend ASCII because I want to learn, I want to know more or learn how to manage my expenses.
Hi, I'm Judith, 7 years old in Singapore. I expect from school here in ASCII Global is to learn how to handle business and to improve myself. My current vision is to be a businessman someday. I want to learn basic entrepreneurship
Thank you. My name is Julieta Ritoto. I'm working in Singapore 8 years at one employer. What I expect to schooling in ASCII Global is to be in the outs, the best of my interest in business, and have plan to open my own business. My current vision is to make my own business as soon as possible. I want to attend basic entrepreneurship course to upgrade myself and to learn how to start and manage my dream business. Thank you.
I'm Marcel Crucivilla from North Cotabato. I've been working here in Singapore for 13 years. What did I expect from ASCII is how to learn to handle my dream business plan and how to manage it. And my current vision is to make my dream business come true and to help my family. And why do I attend the basic entrepreneurship course is to teach me how to improve my ability to make my dream business. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Rebelin. I'm 6 years in Singapore. What I expect from schooling in ASCII Global to change my mindset to have a lot. To be a well-developed and progressive student, fellow of ASCII Global Limited. I want to attend the basic entrepreneurship course because I want to learn as to teach financial and information develop my knowledge about business. Thank you.
Hi, my name is I'm working here in Singapore almost 2 years. What I expect from my schooling in ASCII Global is to learn how to manage a business. My current vision is to open my piggery farm. I want to attend basic entrepreneurship course because I want to upgrade myself and I want to know how to handle my piggery farm. Thank you.
Dito pa tayo gagawa dito kasi dito gagawa kayo ng ganito. So, isa pa gagawa ng ganito.
Dito ba? Oo, yan ang place. Magdudugtugin na lang. Teka. Mag-drawings muna tayo ng parang bahay. Mag-drawing ka na dito.
nang tayo'y bigyan ng gabay at sa kalwalhatian niya'y ialam.